What's up everyone, this is your car guy for VROOM Media. We are here at the 20th Manila International Auto Show. You check them out from April 10 to 13. You can buy your tickets here for $150, and if you're senior or PWD, $120 is good enough. So let's go! So check out everything. They have all the brands here. Check it out. You have a lot of things to do. So bye! Alright guys, so we're just here at the lobby of the Manila International Auto Show. As you can see, this is just the lobby. We have Ravinol over here. We have the big BPI booth over there. We always have Petron in the Manila International Auto Show. One more thing is we have Harman Kardon for your sound system. And we have the Momo here, of course. But the pièce de résistance would have to be the Toyota Sport 800. This is a gold mine. Look at the car. Look at the car. So nice. I mean, this is what the motor shows and the trade shows are all about. This sums it all up. So before we go in the main booth, check out the Pia booth here where they offer wipers, lights, and if you want to be heard in EDSA, check out their horns. There are a lot of brands here in the Manila International Auto Show. So one of the brands is BYD as in my back. And the only car that I want to see is the Shark 6. It is thus not a truck, but it's also a shark. And from what I hear, it can run about 1,000 kilometers in a single charge. That's a bold statement. Beautiful car. But of course, BYD just launched their MPV, the eMax 7. So eMax 7 is their MPV entry to the market. And this is a full EV, a 7-seater for your family that you can enjoy. You've seen how big BYD's booth is. And from someone who actually worked, for those who know me, I actually have the corporate side of me, and I know how to set up the booths. And BYD has such a massive booth, such a big booth. All I can say is it's probably the most expensive booth in the Manila International Auto Show. But if you don't believe me, come check it out. So our next booth is Jetour. And for those who are familiar with the brand, they just had the T2 Terminator, which is an all-black SUV. But they came out with something better. They just had the T2 Panda. Very sleek, very beautiful SUV. And even if you don't like off-road, it's still a good car. Plus, if you get the car, probably have a companion with it. So guys, I'm not Ding Dong Dantes, but this is GAC. So they just launched the new M8 luxury van PHEV. Check it out. Such a wide grille. So this is a very luxurious van from GAC, and I want you guys to see. CEO. So nice. Everything that you looking for a van, everything's here with the luxury and touch of it. The soft leather. And look at the iPads. They even have touch pads here. Plus, they gotta go. We are here now at probably the best Japanese brand in Miyas, Nissan. And they just unveiled the Nissan Patrol. So let's check it out. So everyone's waiting for this car. This is the new Nissan Patrol. From here, we have the Darth Vader. Probably this one you'll probably know as a Stormtrooper. Which side are you? So we have one of the newest brands in the market. It's Aito. And they have the Aito M7, the Aito M9. But have you ever guessed why the M6 is afraid of M7? Because M7, 8, 9. Get it? So let's go, check it out. Automatic doors. No hands, mommy. And if you're gonna close it, just press this one. Very luxurious. But the cutest booth award, probably best trim, right? For Lynk Co, they just launched the O2. It has a 435-kilometer range. And again, the market is full of EVs, and this is probably one of the choices that you can make. Check it out. So one of the models here is Tesla. And as you know, they just launched the Model Y a few weeks ago. Good car, good quality, better than the previous model. So check it out, guys. So we are now here at the Hyundai booth, and they just launched the new Elantra. And they have two models, the N-Line, which is the more sportier model, and the hybrid, which is the more practical level. But I'm not a model, I'm not gonna get paid for this, but thank you, Hyundai. Max Verstappen. All right, so here we are at the Auto Hub booth, and as you can see, if you need 4 wheels, 2 wheels, EV bikes, they have it here. And if you're James Bond and you're zeeking for a car, the Zeekr 001 is for you. Check it out. So the Haval SUV or the Cannon pickup. You know, actually GWM has it both for you. Which one do you pick? I'll take both. So this is not Vin Diesel, but it's sure hella fast. So it's Vinfast. And if you've seen the Fast and the Furious 5, maybe you should check this out, the VF6. So this is the Cherry Tiggo Rev. And I feel like this is actually the cherry on top. And it has an EV, but can rev. Check it out. So this is the Rocks SUV, and they have 2 variants. They have the Sport and the Luxury variant. What you see here is actually the Sport variant. All I can say about the car, it rocks. New SUV off-road in the market. So whether you're going overlanding or off-road, this is a very useful car. But the favorite feature that I can say about this car is this. So every time you go out, you need a table. But what if I tell you, you can bring the whole kitchen? And I feel like this is the only car in the market that offers this. So we just covered the main hall with almost all the brands that you've seen, but there's more. We're going to the aftermarket station. So let's check it out. Welcome to the aftermarket. Let's go. As you can see here, not only do you have parts available, you have destinations to go to, they have AUVs, motorcycles, you can use this in the farm. There's a lot, from batteries to car parts, even tires, they have tires. They say that every car guy has their power drink, but every car guy knows that WD-40 can do anything. Everything's here. It's a one-stop shop. You can see cars, you can see parts, you can see these things. A lot. Spend your money. So as you all know, this is summer. So, you know, maintenance season ngayon eh. And we see that one of the good brands here is Bosch, where they offer a lot of their stuff, even wiper blades. So if you guys are here, check them out. Tapos dito pa, we have Bendix. For those Honda lovers from the 90s, early 2000s, you know that this is one of the brands that are very good when it comes to brake pads. And they're here in Mia's. You know how every car guy wants a toolbox? It's a very nice one sa garage mo where you can put in all of your stuff, lahat ng kalat mo, all in one box. You know how the Holy Week is happening and we have Dunlop tires here. So before going out to your vacation or your beach getaway, you better check out their tires. Make sure your car is equipped for the long drive. So the aftermarket doesn't end there. It comes with another wing, which is the east side wing. Let's go. This is just one of the displays here at the aftermarket, and they got all kinds from ATVs, UTVs, and this golf cart. Sarap, di ba? 1,500 lang guys. So this is an official Hot Wheels na set for the Fast and the Furious. So check out their booth. They all have it here, a lot of Hot Wheels. I'm telling you, it's on sale, so go get it. So one of the best in the games in modifying cars is Atoy. He's actually there. All right, guys, that concludes the Manila International Auto Show. So congratulations, everyone, all the brands, all the media here. It's been 20 years, and we cannot wait for 20 more years. So let's go.